All right, let's get started. First of all, we have the clams, and we're going to wash the clams. Okay. What I like to do is I like to take them and rub them up against one another just like this, just to ensure that we're getting all of the dirt off of the clams. And you can see that the water is starting to turn murky by virtue of the fact that we are rubbing and cleaning off the shells. Look, one of them's open. We don't know about that, but if they don't close, that's not a good sign. You hit them, and they should close. See that? Those will end up being good clams. But you gotta wash those clams. You gotta wash the clams real good. That should do that. Then you take these clams, put them in some clean water. And we're going to add a little bit of salt to that water, and we're going to leave them in the salted water for about 20 minutes. All right? You don't want to store them in the salt water. You actually kill the clams. But what you do want to do is to leave them in there for about 20 minutes, and that will have them open up a little bit and get rid of any sort of excess sand that we're going to have. So that's how we prepare the clams.